Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change file creation date. We'll explore the reasons you might want to adjust a file's timestamp, such as for organization or specific project requirements. Files typically have three main dates: creation, modification, and access. We'll focus on how to easily modify these, ensuring your files reflect the exact timeline you need. This guide will provide straightforward steps, making the process clear and manageable for everyone. For Windows users, PowerShell offers a powerful way to adjust file dates. You can use commands like setItemProperty to precisely set the creation, last write, or last access time of any file. For example, you can change a file's creation date to a specific day, month, and year, down to the exact hour and minute. If you prefer a visual approach, several free third-party tools provide a user-friendly interface, simplifying the process with just a few clicks. On Mac OS and Linux, the touch command in the terminal is your primary tool. It updates the access and modification times of a file. You can set a file's modification date to a specific time in the past or future using various options. For Mac OS, specific flags with touch or other utilities allow you to modify the creation date. This offers precise control over your file's historical timestamps, making it easy to manage. Before you begin modifying any file dates, it's crucial to back up your important files. This safeguards your original data in case of any unintended alterations. Remember that changing timestamps can affect file sorting, system logs, and even some application behaviors. Always double-check your changes after applying them to ensure the dates are updated precisely as you intended. Taking these precautions will help you manage your file dates effectively and without issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.